Salvia Divinorum is a unique and fascinating plant with a rich cultural and mysterious botanical background. It is a herbaceous green plant native to the cloud forests of the Sierra Mazateca region in Oaxaca, Mexico. Salvia has been used for centuries by the indigenous inhabitants of the Sierra Mazateca as a means of healing illness and communing with spirit. It is important to note that salvia, to this day, is still being used by the healers in the Sierra Mazatec to treat a variety of ailments, ranging from depression, gastrointestinal distress, headaches, rheumatism, and addiction. The practice of traditional and indigenous methods of communing with nature and spirit are still very much alive, and it is of vital importance that these traditions remain intact. Compared to other plant medicines, salvia is relatively new in the grand scheme of things. Its first anthropological noting was as recently as 1939 by Jean Bissett Johnson, while he was studying Mazatec shamanism. Although it was first recorded in 1939, botanists faced difficulty in identifying the plant for many years due to the secretive nature of the Mazatec people regarding its growing locations. Identifying the species definitively required flowers. In 1962, Swiss chemist Albert Hofmann and ethnomycologist R. Gordon Wasson embarked on a journey through the Sierra Mazateca to study Mazatec rituals and search for plant specimens. Unfortunately for them, they couldn't find live plants. Eventually, the Mazatec community provided them with some flowering specimens. These specimens were then sent to botanists Carl Epling and Carlos Jativa, who officially described and named the plant as Salvia Divinorum. The name was chosen in reference to its significant role in Mazatec divination and healing practices. Salvia Divinorum holds a unique and distinct place within the larger Salvia genus. There are close to 1,000 different types of salvia. The sage used for cooking is Salvia officinalis, and recently rosemary has been reclassified to be a salvia, called Salvia rosmarinus. Despite being part of the larger Salvia genus, Salvia divinorum stands out due to its exceptional psychoactive properties, primarily attributed to the presence of the potent hallucinogenic compound known as salvinorin A. Unlike many other salvia species, which are commonly cultivated for their culinary and medicinal uses, Salvia divinorum is renowned for its unique ability to induce intense, short-lived, altered states of consciousness when consumed via smoking. A less intense and more drawn-out experience can be had by chewing the leaves. Its taxonomic classification and cultural significance have made it a great subject of interest for researchers, ethnobotanists, and enthusiasts seeking to understand its biological characteristics and its traditional use among indigenous cultures in the Sierra Mazateca region of Mexico.